But of course, there's no 100% prevention, there's no 100% solutions to this kind of theft cases. So as a rider, what we can do is to watch out for each other.
I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
Wow, this is a nice bike. But of course, to my opinion, because this is my bike, this is my R1. I'm not sure whether you guys heard the recent news about the motorcycle parts getting stolen. Actually, it has been happening in Singapore for many years, and recently the number of cases has increased. So the motorcycle parts like the Brembo RCS master brake pump, the Brembo brake calipers, the tire air valve cap, and other parts that is on the motorcycle were being stolen. And of course, motorcycle theft in Singapore is pretty rare because Singapore is so small. Where can you ride the stolen motorcycle in Singapore? But for motorcycle parts, it's easier to dismantle and sell it off in the second-hand market. So for my R1, there's no value parts on the bike other than the Akarprovich exhaust. This is a LTA approved with certificate Akarprovich R1 exhaust. Other than that, there's no valuable parts on the bike. So the most common parts that were being stolen are the brake caliper, the brake pump, the mirrors, the handlebar grip, and also helmet and gloves were pretty common too. I always thought motorcycle parts theft can only happen in Malaysia, in other countries, but in Singapore, it's getting more and more common. I have friends who have gotten their motorcycle parts being stolen in the Malaysia shopping mall. I think it's KSL mall. So what he did was he parked his bike at the basement of the KSL mall, and just in the span of like 3 hours, his brake caliper, is a Brembo brake caliper, was being stolen. So what the guy did was he cut off the brake hose and then removed his brake caliper, and he had to ride his bike back to Singapore with just only the real brake, and so dangerous. And he had a pillion too. This is crazy, man. And so dangerous to ride the bike without front brake with just only a real brake. And braking performance of the real brake, there's no braking power at all, so you're riding the bike at risk. So the recent theft that's happening really give me a shock, and also to the motorcycle community. So to the culprit, if you happen to watch this video, I would urge you to stop doing all this because you are causing unnecessary stress to the motorcycle community. So imagine if this happens to you, how would you feel? What would you do? Even if you are not a rider, if this happens to your family and friends, you know, you are putting them at risk, you know, riding a bike without a front brake. It's so dangerous. So if this happens to you, you can only tow the bike to the bike shop or ride the bike with just only the real brake. But I wouldn't recommend you to ride the bike with just only a real brake. So for those who have tried to stop their bike just using the real brake, you guys should know. So if you are doing all this please stop doing that. You're causing unnecessary stress to us. You know, owning a motorcycle in Singapore is really so stressful. When you're buying a new bike, before you're able to ride the bike, you're already paying $9,000, $10,000 just for the COE. So owning a bike in Singapore is so damn stressful. And also for those riders who are intending to, you know, mod their bikes, upgrade their braking system, or to add on, you know, aftermarket parts on their bikes, definitely they'll have a second thought about it because they don't want their parts to get stolen even in Singapore. And I always thought this will only happen in Malaysia or other country. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. It's a short video, and I hope there are more CCTV installed at the motorcycle parking area, be it in the shopping mall or the HDB public car park. I don't wish to see there's such cases happening in Singapore. But of course, there's no 100% prevention, There's no 100% solutions to this kind of theft cases. So as a rider, what we can do is to watch out for each other, look out for anyone that's suspicious. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Ride safe and bye!
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as